don't have interesting story.
Hi, my name is Priyadini Balakrishnan. I'm in nursing career for about 13 years.
12 years, 23 years.
21 years.
For 7 proud years now.
Nurses are angels.
When we touch a patient, we should touch their soul.
It's a very noble profession
Showing empathy and caringness towards the patients and the ill ones.
because we are there to provide care for the patients when they are unable to care for themselves.
Especially those who are injured and ill for temporary, and we can help them to recover and gain back their life to live on.
Share us an experience you had as a nurse here.
During my service, I met a patient diagnosed with leukemia. Despite his health condition, he showed me a lot of motivation and gave me a lot of good deeds towards my career. It really embarked me to be a good nurse in future.
Since I was young, I never thought of to become a nurse. It's until when I see my late father lying in the hospital, and I'm staring at him helplessly, and I could not do anything for him to help him. So this triggered me to want to be a nurse, to help people who those are sick and injured, and then to help them to recover from the illness.
There was one patient came complaining of epigastric pain, and then my colleague just brought her into one of the allocated zone. While transferring the patient from the wheelchair to the bed, the patient suddenly became unresponsive. I immediately jumped to the bed and started doing chest compression. While I'm doing the chest compression, the team is pushing the bed to the resuscitation bay. Okay, and the team managed to save the patient. The patient was admitted in ICU for quite some time. During discharge, the patient is well. The whole family came and said thank you to us. They are really grateful that whatever we did for the patient. She said that she had been given a second chance, and then she's fulfilling her life.
Patient hold my hand, told me that please save my baby. We managed to send the patient to OT, and after that the mother and child, they returned to ward with safe. So that moment, I noticed that every seconds are precious for each of life.
This patient was admitted, is a quite elderly gentleman admitted in an intensive care unit and was quite ill. We were taking care of him for almost about 3 weeks. Seeing him slowly go away was a bit painful, and also watching the family, how they cope with it. For me, I try my best to be compassionate and attentive to every need of them, including the patient and also the family. And sadly, this gentleman passed away, and it was quite a sad moment for the family and also the entire ICU department. And quite recently, they texted me and informed me they wanted to meet me. They came to see me and they brought a token. I was so touched. It was a life plant they gave me for serving uncle in his last days until his last breath. It was quite touching. Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day!